The Škoda Rapid with a 1-litre TSI engine was introduced earlier this year, and the model is off to a good start according to the company. Speaking to Car and Bike recently, Zach Hollis, Director Sales and Marketing, Škoda Auto India, said that the automaker was pleased with the reception the new Rapid has received. The car holds a nearly 12% market share in the compact sedan segment as of November 2020. Škoda India has been selling an average of 800 units of the Rapid sedan in a month this year. The sales figures are higher for the petrol-only version as compared to 2019, when the company also had the diesel version on sale. The Škoda Rapid remains one of the most affordable turbocharged compact sedans with the option of both manual and automatic transmissions. Despite its age, the model continues to offer brilliant performance and handling compared to newer rivals in the segment. The Aprilia RS660 Supersport machine has been confirmed for India and will arrive on our shores by the middle of 2021. The new offering will be brought to India as a completely built unit. The new Aprilia RS660 made its global debut at EICMA last year and is underpinned by a completely new platform, while power comes from a brand new 659cc parallel to an engine that develops 99 brake horsepower and 67 Nm of peak torque. The bike is loaded with electronic aids and comes with the Aprilia Performance Ride Control that includes a 6-axis IMU, 3-level cornering ABS, wheelie control, traction control and lots more. The Aprilia RS660 has been designed to be more versatile for everyday rideability and will compete against the Kawasaki Ninja 650 and the Honda CBR 650R in the segment. Expect prices to be around 9 to 10 lakh rupees for the RS660 as a CBU. Aprilia India will also bring the naked 210 660 at a later stage. The Federation of Automobile Dealers Associations, FADA, has released the monthly vehicle registration data for November 2020, during which the industry saw a cumulative drop of 19.29%. The total vehicle registrations across all categories last month stood at 18,27,990 units as against 22,64,947 vehicles registered during November 2019. However, the auto sector did see a 29% growth as compared to October 2020 in terms of month-on-month sales. FADA says that vehicle registrations during Navratri in October were tepid, but people came out in good numbers to purchase new vehicles during the Dhanteras and Diwali period. The passenger vehicle industry saw 291,000 registrations in November, witnessing a growth of 4.1% year-on-year. Meanwhile, two-wheeler registrations dropped by a whopping 21.4% at 14,13,000 units year-on-year. FADA says that while inventory level for passenger vehicles now stands at 25 to 30 days, two-wheeler inventory continues to be in the high range of 45 to 50 days.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.